we go to practice set 4.2. Now we had completed practice set 4.1, that is the first exercise of ratio and proportion last week. So we continue with the next exercise 4.2. Now see the first question. It states that using the property A by B equal to AK upon BK, fill in the blanks substituting proper numbers in the following. Now you see here in the question we have A upon B equal to AK upon BK. What is the difference between both these ratios? Here I have only A and B, and here along with A and B we have an extra K. Now what is a K doing with A and B? It is multiplying. A into K is AK, B into K is BK. We had seen among the properties of ratios that the ratio remains the same if there is a common multiple. Also when we took the ages, you remember that time we always said that there must be a common multiple. So just like that, here the common multiple is K. Now let us see the question. What does it state? See the first sub question. They are saying that 5 upon 7 is equal to dash upon 28 is equal to 35 upon dash is equal to dash upon 3.5. Now we'll take the first part, that is 5 upon 7 equal to dash upon 28. Then we take this. What have we to do here? We have to fill in this blank. Now to fill in this blank, you see that in both these fractions we have both the denominators are there. The numerator of one of them is missing. So what do we do? Where the numerator is missing, look at the denominator and look at the previous denominator. Now we see with which number the previous denominator is multiplied to get this denominator. That means 7 has been multiplied with which number to get 28? So we know 7 into 4 is 28. So if the denominator is multiplied with 4 and you get this denominator, then the numerator also has to be multiplied with 4 to get this numerator. So now first let us write it as a product of the multiples. That is 28 is here and this 28 is 7 into 4. Why am I writing 7 into 4 and not any other multiples? Because 7 is already there. And what has to be multiplied with 7 to get 28? That is 4. So 7 into 4. And here in the numerator, what is already there? That is 5. And since 7 is multiplied by 4, 5 also has to be multiplied by 4. So you get 4 here. 5 into 4 is 20. 7 into 4 is 28. So you have here 20 upon 28. So the blank here is 20. Similarly, when we go to the next blank, which is here we have 35 upon dash. That is the blank is dash here. So what do? We will take the first ratio which is already given, or the fraction which is already given, that is 5 by 7, and then write the next one with the unknown or with the blank. So 5 upon 7 equal to 35 upon blank. 5 upon 7 equal to 35 upon dash. Now what did I say in the previous question? What we did? We see here both the numerators are given. Now we look at the second numerator and see that what number is the first numerator multiplied to get the second numerator. 5 has been multiplied by 7 and that is why we have got 35. So therefore this denominator also has to be multiplied by 7. Okay, so 5 upon 7 equal to 35 upon blank. Therefore 5 upon 7 is equal to this 5 we write as it is. To get 35, 5 has to be multiplied with 7. Now this denominator here is 7, so that is written as it is. Since this numerator is multiplied by 7, the denominator also is multiplied by 7. So now we multiply and see what will be the answer. 5 upon 7 written as it is. 5 into 7 is 35. 7 into 7 is 49. So what is the blank here? The denominator, that is 49. Now going to the third part, you see here there is blank upon 3.5. You have blank upon 3.5. So we write 5 upon 7 equal to blank upon 3.5. Okay. Now we have to think to get 3.5. What should I multiply 7 with? If the point was not there, 7 into 5 would be 35. But there is a point and the point is before one place. So if I take 5 and put a point before one of the place, what will it be? The number becomes 0.5. So if I multiply 7 with 0.5, will it become 3.5? Yes, it will be 3.5. So that means the numerator and the denominator both has to be multiplied with 0.5. So 5 upon 7 is equal to, we said that the numerator and denominator has to be multiplied with 0.5. So let me write 0.5, 0.5. What is the numerator and denominator? 5 and 7. Now let me multiply. 5 into 5 is 25. But the point is before one place. So this becomes 2.5. 7 into 5, 35. But the point is before one place. So this becomes 3.5. So 3.5 was given. What was not given? 2.5. So this is the blank.